Now I'm going to strip down a Cobra CX150. Now the first thing I'll do is to remove the batteries. Now there are 4 batteries, AA batteries. It'd be best if you can get the highest rated batteries, purely because it means it will be able to give you more flashes. Now what I'm showing you there is the button you press if you want to test the flash. And then you have the off and on button, which is self-explanatory. Now if I pull it apart, what fell out there was the actual on-off button, the flash button. Now that's it inside. The top part there, if I show you my screwdriver, the top part, that's the flash itself. And then next to it, that is the charge capacitor, and that charges up to supply the power to the flash. Now what I have found is there are 2 annoying pieces. One is that button, the red button, that kept falling out when I tried to put it together. And the other one is the cover for the main on-off switch. Now it's a very tight squeeze. What I was worried about, I also got a shock there because I hadn't discharged the capacitor. So you should do that just to make sure that it doesn't damage it. Now I put the batteries back in and it does work. Now because I couldn't show you exactly how I put it back together, I have produced some photos so that at least you'll be able to see where all the wires go if they break off by mistake. Now what I also did do is actually secured the red button with sellotape just a little bit. That wouldn't affect the running of the flash. So that's it. And if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos of DIY, then please click onto my channel.